How can people separate their sense of self-worth from their accomplishments?
So if you want to separate your accomplishments from your self-worth, like you just have to untie both of those things fundamentally. Does that kind of make sense? Okay. So the first is to recognize, I know it sounds kind of weird, but you don't actually accomplish anything. Literally, it is impossible for you to accomplish anything. So you can plant a seed, you can water it, you can do all the right things, but you can't make a plant grow. So as a human being, there's a very fundamental principle that a lot of people don't understand. And I know this is going to sound crazy. All you can do is the action. You cannot achieve any result.
Give me an example.
I can study at Harvard Medical School. I cannot save a life. It is not within my power to save a life. Like, I can be the best doctor on the planet, but like, I do not, nowhere does training give me the power of life over death. Like, you just can't do that.